So if you have an 8th gen Impala, that's '06 to 2013, including some of the 2014, 2015, 2016, I think limited. I'm not sure. But yeah, so this one used to be a police car. They had to tap into the horn for the sirens, but they cut it up. So as you can see here, if you trace back past this connector piece, the tan wire on that side. So I connect it back, and then I'm able to get the horn. So over on the right hand side over here, that's where the passenger sits. I'm gonna walk around to it. This is the under the hood fuse box on the passenger front side. But over in here, there's another little fuse box. So you got to check that one, the one under the hood, and then up underneath there. There's some other wires on the left hand side, but I didn't have to go that far. I found where my problem was. Also, my horn sits under here. I'm not sure if there's one supposed to be one for the other side, but my horns sit over on this side. You got to make sure there's that connection coming off the wire harness or loom connected to the horn.